A business case is a document that should answer the question, is this project worth doing? A feasibility study is a document that answers the question, would we be able to do this project successfully? A feasibility study identifies potential risks and problems with the solution that was proposed in the business case. It looks for risks or threats to the project being a success and makes a recommendation on whether the desired outcomes of the project can be achieved and whether the project should proceed or not. The SWOT analysis is an analysis with 4 quadrants, one each for the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats to project success. Because the SWOT analysis looks at weaknesses and threats, it is often included in a feasibility study. A very useful framework for analysing the feasibility of a project is the TELOS model. TELOS is an acronym for technological, economic, legal, organisational, and scheduling. These represent 5 areas of feasibility that we need to examine. Technical feasibility is determined by whether we have the technical knowledge within the company to build the suggested solution. If not, we need to find external consultants or an agency to help us. We also need to understand the cost of developing ourselves versus outsourcing the project. Economic feasibility is determined by whether the organisation can afford to execute this project and whether it will be profitable. Legal feasibility considers the legality of any proposed activities, but also examines any conflicts with existing contracts, including any potential infringements on patent or trademark laws. Scheduling feasibility analyses the necessary time required to deliver the project. Can we deliver this project within an acceptable time frame? This is particularly important if we're in a race to deliver against our competitors. Operational feasibility looks at how existing departments and existing employees are affected and determines if any training or any new company procedures are required. In summary, the feasibility study answers the question, are we able to do this project? And the TELOS model helps us to consider 5 different dimensions of project feasibility.